pretty much the home screen of the application. Very decent and simple application to use and completely no ads. So here all you have to do is just search for the music and tap on the search icon at the top here and search for whichever music you want. Let's say for example I'm going to search for Little Baby. Here I can see pretty much all the songs that he has released, and as you can see the plays and everything. So let's say for example I want to listen to one of these songs. I'll have to just tap on the one of these songs here, as you can see, and as well you can give the song a like. You can as well check on the comments and even comment on this video, which is on the song, sorry. So down here you have the repeat option. We can repeat the song, repeat the playlist, or repeat the song itself. Down here you can also check on the lyrics of the song while it's playing. So yeah, it's crazy. You can also see other songs similar to this one that I'm listening to right now, sing other song by other artists. Also you can see up next are the songs that's gonna play next. So let's say for example this one here at the top, you may not like what's gonna play after it. You can also tap on, just hold on onto one of the musics that you want to play next, and carry it up. Once you have done that, you'll be able to select whichever music or move whichever music you want to play next. As you can see here, just hold on, long press and swipe up, and you're pretty much good to go. So that's pretty much it for that there. And at the top here you may see music, which is this option here, and you can also see the video, which is directly from YouTube that is played. So you can also see the video of the want to play too much, but yes. And in the settings option here, or not the settings, the three dots here, I can also download the music or the video and play it offline. So as well I can adjust the quality of the video for wanting to be 380p or even higher 2K resolution. So very good application, and not gonna lie, completely no ads. I haven't included ads or anything like that. Do keep in mind I do have a subscription, so yes. And also you have the explore option here where you can find other artists as well. On the application you can see the trending music within your area, and as you can see all around the world. Not just music as well, you can see other things as it relates to videos and so forth. So here you have a sample section. These are just short clippings of music videos from other artists around the world that will be shown. It's a TikTok type of feature where you can scroll and you can see other short clips of other music videos around the world or within your area. So based on where you are, it will give you those videos. So in the library section, this is pretty much where you see the download videos or the videos that you have, the music that you have downloaded. It will be shown here, and you can also add them to the episode for later or watch later options. So if I tap on the three dots at the top here, I can pretty much add it for later, or I can save it. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And down here to pretty much get their subscription, if you tap on the upgrade option here, do have a premium your music premium subscription here. So you can see here the prices and everything, although it's not in USD, but you do get a 1 month free subscription with this application here. I think they even give a 2 month subscription. Not sure at the time I'm speaking of, but they do. Some of the times this application is very generous in relates to testing their application. So you can go ahead, get their subscription free trial whatever the case is, and do test out the application. It's really worth it. So that's pretty much it for this video. If I've missed anything at all, please comment below and don't forget to log in. If you don't log in, you won't be able to access these features and so forth. So that's it. If I've missed anything, comment below. See you in the next one.